Every premium chocolate-coated ice cream bar begins with fresh milk collected from healthy Holstein dairy cows raised on carefully managed American farms. Healthy animals are the foundation of premium dairy production, so every cow receives routine inspections before entering the milking process.
Check the somatic cell count on this one. It's elevated, but her respiration is steady. Tag scanned, records updated.
Careful cleaning helps maintain excellent hygiene before fresh milk is collected inside the automated dairy facility. Modern automated milking systems collect fresh milk safely and comfortably while maintaining strict hygiene standards throughout the entire process. Refrigerated transport keeps the milk fresh until it reaches the factory, where every batch immediately enters a carefully controlled quality inspection process. Controlled pasteurization removes harmful microorganisms while protecting the natural flavor and nutritional quality of the fresh dairy milk.
The fat percentage is holding steady at 38%. Good. The flow rate looks optimized.
Okay, sample 4B collected.
Fat content looks consistent with the last batch.
With every ingredient prepared and measured, the factory is ready to begin creating the rich vanilla ice cream base that gives every premium chocolate-coated bar its smooth and creamy texture.
The readings here indicate we are within the target range.
Yes, the dissolution rate is optimal. The reading is stable now. Okay, I've logged the accuracy check.
Premium natural vanilla is carefully measured to create the rich flavor that defines every classic vanilla ice cream bar.
Batch authorized. Releasing stabilizers to the main line.
Confirmed. Dosing sequence initiated. The consistency is exactly where we want it. Agreed. The batch is ready for cooling.
Before freezing begins, the freshly prepared ice cream base rests inside temperature-controlled aging tanks, allowing
Aging process complete, temperature nominal.
Okay, opening the discharge valve now.
continuous freezers rapidly cool the ice cream base while preserving its smooth texture and creamy consistency.
The overrun is holding steady right at 35%. Perfect, the texture looks excellent. The texture is exceptionally smooth, very silky.
Temperature reading is steady at -5 Celsius.
All parameters are stable across the board. Look at the temperature consistency here. Excellent. I'll authorize the release for molding. The flow rate is stable at 500 liters per hour. The molding line is ready for production. Every mold receives the exact amount of frozen vanilla ice cream to ensure consistent size, shape, and quality throughout the production line. Before the wooden sticks are inserted, the ice cream is partially frozen to create the strength needed for the next stage of production. Automated positioning systems place every wooden stick with exceptional precision, ensuring every finished ice cream bar remains perfectly balanced.
We have stabilization across all zones. Perfect. The bars are fully hardened.
Before coating the frozen ice cream bars, premium chocolate is manufactured from carefully selected cocoa beans using a series of precise industrial processes. Carefully balanced ingredients transform rich cocoa into the smooth milk chocolate that will soon surround every premium ice cream bar.
Look at that fluctuation in the 5th stage.
Yay.
I'm adjusting the flow now. Much better.
Temperature holding perfectly at 30.5 Celsius. Viscosity and gloss levels are well within tolerance. We are clear for the coating line.
The viscosity is perfect now. Agreed. The coating should be flawless. Go ahead and start the run.
Freshly manufactured tempered chocolate forms the signature crisp shell that gives every premium ice cream bar its unmistakable appearance and satisfying texture.
The thickness looks uniform on this batch. Agreed. The leveling is perfect.
Every finished ice cream bar passes through multiple quality inspections before it is approved for packaging and nationwide distribution.
Look at the inconsistency near the stick insertion point.
Yes, that one definitely has an air pocket. We need to flag this batch. The seals are holding perfectly.
Great, another successful run verified by the system.
The batch numbers look clean on this run.
Confirmed. Scanner accuracy is holding at 99.9%. The throughput is holding steady at 99%. Looks good. We are clear for the next run. Temperature verified at -15. Go ahead and seal it up.
Everything checks out here, -20 Celsius. Roger that. I've logged the data.
Temperature-controlled transportation protects every ice cream bar from the factory all the way to supermarkets across the country. Every production stage works together to create the signature contrast between the crisp chocolate shell and the smooth, creamy vanilla center.